Hello, welcome back everyone. Now in this session, we are going to discuss about SQL Server important question. But wait, might be you have seen all of this video starting with a single line. But today, we are not going to discuss about SQL Server important question. Nor we are going to discuss about Power BI interesting fact. But today is simply about gratitude. When I started this channel, it was with only single subscriber, and that is from my family only. But now, today, we're having a strong community of data analytics and data engineering, and that is 1888 strong community. 1888 is not a very big number, but each single subscriber matters. As each subscriber, it is not a subscriber, but each folk is an enthusiastic folk that is willingly to learn about data engineering and data analytics. They are struggling, they are dreaming, and they want to grow. So somehow, with the help of this channel, they have learned something new, something interesting. As you can see over the YouTube, there are tons of channel, and they're doing very good job. They're helping folks to learn data engineering projects about the SQL, Python, and various components. And my contribution is very small. It is about 0.01%. But with your love and with your trust, and I have seen various comments from your side and your belief in this channel, we have grown till 1888. And as you can see that I was not able to upload video from last 8 to 10 months. But as I'm seeing the analytics, like I'm getting a regular engagement without uploading a video. And it is really a very wonderful news for me. So with this context, I was thinking just do a small giveaway to all of my YouTube community and target a new goal for 2026. Don't worry about a big goal, as I am not targeting about 10k or 50k subscriber, but I'm targeting something different, something realistic, and something helpful. What I'm targeting is that I want to help create 50 strong, confident data engineering and data analyst folks. Why 50? Because we have only 360 days and I'm only the single contributor. So I want to give a real attention to listen their problems, to understand the situation, what problem they're facing with their resume, about the interviews, about their Naukri profile, about the LinkedIn optimization, various things. So there's an entire roadmap for all of this process. And might be you are stuck in some of these steps. So this is a smaller giveaway to all of my YouTube folks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to attach a Google form link. You have to submit that with your basic details, with the problem that you're facing. And based on that, I'll pick some of that link and will create an one-to-one session with you all. It will not be in webinar, it will not be a course, just a one-to-one session. So that I can understand your problems, what you're facing, where you're stuck. And I'll try myself best to help you. I'm not going to charge any bucks for this. This is a giveaway for 2026. But I want a confidence from your side. Like when we approach 2026 December, we will have a strong community of 50 folks. They are very good data engineering and data analyst. This is all what I want from your side. So before ending this video, I want to just quote a single line to Zakir Khan. Like, खूब मेहनत करो क्योंकि मेहनत करने से ही होगा. As you're dreaming about data engineering or data analytics or about to do a job in this domain, but you're stuck. So you are doing very hard work. Therefore, you're seeing this video till this point. But might be you're stuck in somewhere. Like what to do, I'm not able to switch my job. I'm not able to learn this thing. You're not able to understand the concept. So as you can see in the college, we have senior folks that we used to call bhaiya or sir. Similarly, in the industry also, we have seniors who can help you. So I'm trying to build a strong community so that you can just directly ask the question and solve the problem. At last, wish you a very happy and meaningful new year. Thank you everyone for watching this video.